man, this is gorgeous. Oh, here's your first twisty. Maybe it's just a pay and park.
Hey riders, this is Eric with Black Swan Odysseys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to this channel, Black Swan Odysseys is all about motorcycling, discovering new places, and the history along the way. It's finding the unknowns in the unknown.
Do not pass.
This video ride is to the top of Mount Spokane. Mount Spokane is 28 miles northeast of the city of Spokane. Most of the video covers the final ride up Summit Road, which is about 12 miles in length and starts at the sno-park at the intersection of North Mount Spokane Drive. The Summit Road is laid out like a stacked ribbon. Long straight climbing stretches with connecting sharp 180-degree switchbacks. Summit Road is narrow without any centerline markings, and you share the road with cars, bicyclists, and hikers. With few pullouts, people commonly just stop in the middle of the road, jump out, and take pictures of the scenic views. As a matter of fact, on the ride back down, we rounded a curve, finding a pickup, just as I said, stopped in the middle of the road. The ride does have commanding views of the local scenery. The mountain was first known by the names of Mount Baldy and Mount Carlton. Like much of the northwestern United States, Mount Spokane was initially acquired in land grants to the railroads.
Oh man, this is gorgeous. Oh, here's your first twisty.
Land grants were the government's way of enticing railroad companies to build rail lines through the region. Then in 1909, Francis H. Cook, a newspaperman and real estate developer, purchased the summit for his little slice of heaven. He started a road to the top in 1909, where he eventually built a cabin, and finally finished the road in 1912. That same year of 1912, Cook named the mountain Mount Spokane. Cook's road to his mountain camp became a local touring opportunity, albeit a harrowing one. At that time, the road was nothing more than a steep, dirt-graded road with switchbacks. This would have been a very interesting car ride back in the 1900s. If you can imagine driving up the mountain in a Model T Ford powered by a 20 horsepower motor with poor brakes and a motor that was prone to overheating. At the top of the mountain, the main parking lot is on the west side, adjacent to the walking path to the Vista house.
I need to leave my jacket on. It's chilly up here.
You know, it dropped 7 degrees from very chilly.
Turn the heated seat grip on. See me right up in your ass on that one turn?
I watched you in my mirror.
I went right up behind you and I go, oh crap, I was gonna go over to the side.
Mount Spokane is the largest state park in the state of Washington. Mount Spokane State Park was officially dedicated in 1927 and the first state park east of the Cascades. Mount Spokane is one of the earliest ski areas in the West.
So is there like a parking lot down at the bottom of the hill here? So you'd have to like take the left.
The main attraction up at the top of the mountain is the Vista house. This is a stone and wood structure built in 1933 by the Civilian Conservation Corps. The building price at the time was $4,693. My motorcycle that I rode up to the top of the mountain that day cost 3 times that much. All the materials, stone and wood, were locally sourced, so they probably didn't have to pay any money for materials. In later years, they also built a ski lodge, very similar to the one on Mount Hood, Timberline Lodge. However, no one decided it was necessary to insure the lodge, and it burned down just prior to completion, never to be rebuilt again. In the 1940s, the Rivulet Aerial Tram Company, long established as a provider of trams for mining operations, became a pioneer in the field of moving skiers up the mountains. Really, it was a perfect fit. It was simply a matter of swapping out the mining bucket for a seat.
Just folk taking pictures.
The Rivulet Tramway had already installed a chairlift on Mount Hood, and in 1946 they converted a one-bucket mining tram into a chairlift for Mount Spokane. The following year, in 1947, they opened and operated the world's first double-chair ski lift on Mount Spokane. After that, the company never looked back and went on to build hundreds more ski lifts throughout the world. Each year, the mountain averages about 300 inches of snow. During World War II, military personnel from Geiger and Fairchild Air Force bases trained up on Mount Spokane in winter warfare tactics. Their alpine ski instructors were German and Austrian POWs. The road surface is good. There are a number of dips, potholes, and a few cracks. All in all, it's quite rideable, with no real surprises. It's what you would expect from a high mountain road that's blanketed in snow 4 to 5 months a year. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And while you're at it, click that subscribe button to get notifications on all the latest videos. And we'll see you on the next ride.